Last problem in the locus, 7th Roman, second problem. Given points are capital A 4 comma 0, capital B minus 4 comma 0. Let Pxy any point on the locus, given condition is modulus of PA minus PB equal to 8. First remove the modulus. When we remove the modulus symbol, we take another side plus or minus. Write down. PA minus PB equal to plus or minus 4. Bring this one into RHS. PA equal to PB minus PB becomes to plus PB. Next, squaring on both sides. Similarly, previous problems. PA square equal to PB plus or minus 4 whole square. PA square equal to A square either plus B or minus B. We get B square, A square plus B square. Suppose there is a plus symbol, we get plus 2AB. Suppose there is minus symbol, we get minus 2AB. A square common, B square common. Suppose there is plus symbol, we get plus 2AB. Suppose there is minus, we get minus 2AB. Remaining problem same to same. Right. PA square x minus 4 whole square y minus 0 whole square. Next, PB square x plus 4 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square plus 16 plus or minus 8 PB, both sides y minus 0 whole square cancel, expand x square plus 16 minus 8x, x square plus 16 plus 8x plus 16 plus or minus 8 PB, both sides x square cancel, 16 cancel, minus 8x minus 16 equal to plus or minus 8 PB plus or minus 8 PB minus 8x minus 8x minus 16x minus 16 equal to plus or minus 8pb. Take minus 16 common, x plus 1 plus or minus 8pb. 8 2 times cancel. Again squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Minus square 2 square x plus 1 whole square plus or minus whole square pb square. All of listen. Minus square plus square plus minus square also plus. But ikkada plus or minus becomes to only plus. Plus square plus minus square also plus. So 4 into 2 square value 4. A plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Next, pb square x plus 4 whole square y minus 0 whole square. Multiply the brackets. 4x square 4x square plus 4 plus 8x equal to x square plus 16 plus 8x plus y square both sides 8x cancel. ఈ రెండింటిని వైపు తీసుకురండి. 4x square plus 4 x square plus y square plus 16 4x square minus x square minus y square equal to 16 minus 12. 16 minus 12. So 3x square minus y square 3x square minus y square equal to 12. Or divide with 12. 3x square by 12 y square by 12 equal to 12 by 12. 3 4 times cancel. X square by 4 y square by 12 y square by 12 equal to 1. Equal to 1. ఇవి లోకస్ లో ఉన్నటువంటి ఆల్ మోడల్స్ 100% రేపు ఎగ్జామినేషన్ లో మినిమం 3 or 4 క్వశ్చన్స్ వస్తాయి. ఎస్ఏ క్వశ్చన్స్ లోనేమో ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉంటాయి. 4 మార్క్స్ లోనేమో రిమైనింగ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉంటాయి. కాబట్టి 100% అన్ని మోడల్స్ ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వండి. ఆల్ మోడల్స్ ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వండి. మీకున్న ఓన్లీ 2 చాప్టర్సే. కానీ ఆల్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అన్ని ఇస్తాడు. నెక్స్ట్ స్ట్రైట్ లైన్స్. In the straight lines, most important problem. Write down. Find the circumcenter. Find the circumcenter of the triangle. Circumcenter of the triangle whose vertices are whose vertices whose vertices are -2, 3, 2, -1, 4, 0, 4, 0. Circumcenter. Write down answer. Given vertices are capital A -2, 3, capital B 2, -1, capital C 4, 0. ఆల్రెడీ మీ నోట్స్లో ఉంది, ఉంటే రాసుకో, నోట్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. లేనటువంటి వాళ్ళు నోట్ చేసుకోండి. ఆల్ ఆఫ్ లిసన్. దిస్ ఇస్ ఏ పాయింట్, B point, C point, or vertices. Find the circumcenter. Let it be S. SA radius, SB radius, SC also radius of the circle. So take SA equal to SB. We get a relation between A and B. Next take SB equal to SC. We get second relation between A and B. Solve these two equations. We get circumcenter. That is the answer. So first take SA equal SB. Write down. Let S AB be circumcenter. SAB be circumcenter. Next, SA equal to SB. SA equal to SB. SA equal to SB. SA square equal to SB square. SA under root SA square, root 2 square cancel. So write only internal part. SA A plus 2 whole square, B minus 3 whole square, SB square, A minus 2 whole square, B plus 1, B plus 1 whole square. Expand these whole squares. A square plus 4 plus 4A, B square plus 9 minus 6B. RHS value, A square plus 4 minus 4a, b plus 1 whole square, b square plus 1 plus 2b, both sides, a square, b square cancel, both sides, 4 cancel, 4a plus 9 minus 6b, minus becomes to plus, 4a minus 1 minus 2b equal to 0. Total 8a minus 8b, 9 minus 1, 8. 8a minus 8b plus 8. Eighth table cancel. Eighth table cancel. This is the relation between A and B. First relation between A and B. Next, similarly take SB equal to SC. We get second relation. Next, write down SB equal to SC. SB square equal to SC square. Write SB square. A minus 2 whole square. B plus 1 whole square. Next, SC square. A minus 4 whole square. B minus 0 whole square. Expand whole squares. A square plus 4 minus 4a. B square plus 1 plus 2b. RHS. A square plus 16 minus 8a plus b square. Both sides, a square b square cancel. Minus 4a plus 2b minus 4a plus 2b. 1 plus 4, 5. Next, minus 16 plus 8a minus 16 plus 8a equal to 0. First calculate a values. 4a, 8a minus 4a plus 4a plus 2b minus 11 minus 11 equal to 0. So, this is the second relation between A and B. Solve. Next step. Solve 1 and 2. Solve 1 and 2. First equation minus 1, 1, 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 1 minus 1. Second equation 2 minus 11 4 2 2 minus 11 4 2 a b 1 a by 11 minus 2 AD value 11 minus BC value 2 B by AD value 4 minus BC value minus 11 minus into minus plus 11 equal to 1 by AD value 2 minus BC value minus 4 minus of minus plus 4. So A by 9, B by 15, 1 by 6, 1 by 6, A value 9 by 6, 3 by 2, B value 15 by 6, 3 table 5 times, 2 times cancel. Therefore, circumcenter S AB equal to 3 by 2 comma 5 by 2. Next, another model problem. Find the next model. Find the orthocenter. Find the orthocenter of the triangle. Orthocenter of the triangle with vertices. With vertices. ఈ రోజు చెప్పిన 3 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ రేపు ఎగ్జామినేషన్ 100% ఉంటాయి. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి బాగా. కాపీలు కొట్టి రాయాలని ప్రయత్నం చేయబాకండి. Orthocenter of the triangle. So first calculate. All of you listen. Altitude through A on BC. Altitude through B on CA. All of you listen. X minus x1, x2 minus x3, y minus y1, y2 minus y3. This is the equation of the altitude. Remember one main point. altitude through A must be x1, y1. Altitude through B must be x1, y1. Take these two. One is x2, y2, another one is x3, y3. Suppose B x2, y2, C x3, y3. Suppose C x2, y2, B x3, y3, no problem. But through A must be x1, y1. Through B must be x1, y1. So we calculate two altitude equations and then solve that two altitudes, we get their point of intersection. That is the orthocenter. Write down. Given vertices are given vertices are capital A -2 comma -1, capital B 6 comma -1, and capital C 2 comma 3. 2 comma 3. Next, equation of the altitude. Equation of the altitude through capital A on BC on BC B point 6 comma -1, C point 2 comma 5. Write the formula. X minus x1, x2 minus x3, y minus y1, y2 minus y3. X minus x1 value -2, x2 minus x3, y minus -1 plus 1, y2 minus y3, 6 minus 2, 4 into x plus 2, -1 minus 5, minus 6 into y plus 1, 4x plus 8, minus 6y minus 6, 4x minus 6y plus 2, 8 minus 6, 2 table cancel, 2x minus 3y plus 1 equal to 0, plus 1 equal to 0. Next, equation of the altitude. Equation of the altitude through B 6 minus 1 on CA On CA, B must be x1, y1. Take this formula again. X minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y2 minus y3 equal to 0. X minus x1 value 6, x2 2 minus x3 value minus 2 minus of minus plus 2 plus y plus 1 y minus y1 value minus 1 minus or minus plus 1 into y2 minus y3 y2 value 5 minus y3 value minus 1 minus or minus plus 1 2 plus 2 4 into x minus 6 5 plus 1 6 into y plus 1 4x minus 24 plus 6y plus 6 6x minus 24 plus 6y plus 6 4x plus 6y minus 18 4x minus 24 6y plus 6 minus 18 two table cancel 2 times 3 times 9 times. So second equation 2x plus 3y minus 9. Solving 1 and 2, we get the ortho center. Next, solve 1 and 2. Solve 1 and 2. First equation minus 3 1 2 minus 3 minus 3 1 2 minus 3. Second equation 3 minus 9 2 3 3 minus 9 2 3 x y 1 x by 27 minus 3 27 minus 3 y by 2 plus 18 1 by 6 plus 6 x by 24 y by 20 1 by 12 x value 24 by 12 y value 20 by 12 fourth table 5 times fourth table 3 times. Therefore ortho center is ortho center is 2 comma 2 comma 5 by 3 2 comma 5 by 3. సపోజ్ మనకు రేపు ఉంటుంది ఈ ప్రాబ్లం కూడా ఈక్వేషన్స్ ఆఫ్ ది సైడ్స్ ఇచ్చాడనుకోండి గివెన్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ ఆఫ్ ది సైడ్స్ ఫస్ట్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ vertices of the triangle, that means solve 1 and 2 we get A point, 2 and 3 B point, 3 and 1 C point. Given equations of the sides 1, 2, 3 equations, solve 1 and 2 we get vertex A, 2 and 3 vertex B, 3 and 1 vertex C. After that one we follow the same condition. It is either circumcenter problem or orthocenter problem. రెండిట్లో ఏదైనా సరే సైడ్స్ ఇస్తే ముందు వర్టిసిస్ కనుక్కొని సేమ్ ప్రొసీజర్ ఫాలో కావాలి.